Oh boy. It's currently raining and I thought, am I just going to sit around and not go outside because it's raining? Should I go outside and embrace the rain? So I'll go outside! Birds exist? Oh wow, oh wow. I'm glad I woke up this morning. You're beautiful. Let's have just a minute of silence for all the bugs that get their world turned upside down when it rains like this. Hello, I'm your friend. I wish people loved animals more. My feet are getting sort of wet. Water falling from floating oceans. Air! I just want people to have a fun time and hug and not be afraid to say, I love you. You know? I want everyone else to be out here. Come on, it's a pie, come on! Seriously, please stop worrying about what people think of you and just be yourself. There's only one you! Seriously. Can you see me? I never actually realised how beautiful this bit of field was. Just go out and explore. Explore where you live. Trees are just so resilient. They're out here in the rain, in the snow, day and night, naked. I think if we were all a bit more like a tree, we might be able to cope with life a little bit better. Just trying to avoid people with chainsaws. Every day I'm trying to focus less and less on how I look, the things I own, how much money I have, and just thinking, how am I helping my friends and my community? Where am I? Where am I even going? I'm not sure where this energy comes from, but I have it. I feel like I need to share it with you. Hope that's okay. Thank you, rain. Thank you.